Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while and winter's still here, unfortunately. Bunch of salt on the road, bunch of sand, still snow. Temperatures are pretty low still in the low 30s. I'll ride in the 30s. I won't ride in salt and sand though. I just don't want to ruin my season before it even begins. So why am I here? Well, I got some new stuff in that I wanted to show you. So we're going to start with that. So let me grab that and we'll begin with the new intro for the season. So what'd I get? What could this be? I got a letter. No, it's not a letter. But look it's from Odin MFG. So we're gonna open this up. It's like an unboxing. Just to see. It has not been opened yet. I know what it is. I ordered it. And I'm gonna just drop stuff, I guess. Oh my goodness, they sent me some other goodies in here too. Odin MFG is amazing. Thank you for supporting the independents. Tag us on Instagram. I'm going to. Right there, Odin MFG. And they also sent me a nice little keychain. That's definitely gonna get used. So what did I get? So, I decided, I love my heavy hitters, but realistically for summer, late summer, early fall riding, they don't really work out for me too well, only because I have that big fairing in front of my motorcycle that blocks out all the wind. So, I decided we're going to get some MX gloves from them. These do not have the fingertips, so they do not come up and out. So what these do have, and if I can get the little thingy out the thingy. So I ordered the camouflage MX gloves. They still have the magnets in the cuff. So I ordered for this a large, because I've learned in the past that the Odin gloves, they actually fit pretty well to the size that you're looking for. And these, pretty much the same. So we got the camouflage Odin MX gloves, no padding at the top, but you got full leather on the bottom, and like I said, the fingertips don't come up, but they got a little soft felt, so I believe they can be used on the phone. Let me see. Yep, they can be. So these here fit right up on. And the fitment's actually quite nice. They're a little bit loose at the cuff for me, which I actually like, to make it so I can get them on, off and on really easily. So, rawr. Not bad. Not bad at all. Love them. Those are going to feel really nice while riding. Nice smooth leather at the bottom, perforated at the bottom. You're going to have the airflow perfectly fine through this. Same as the other finger. You got the felt on both thumb and pointer finger. Same. Boom, boom. Which I've already proven that actually does work on the phone actually quite nicely. Nice soft inside. These are going to be perfect. Perfect for, late spring, summer, all the way through early fall. Especially in the Northeast where I'm at. So I'm really actually looking forward to using these. Odin MFG, you guys knocked it out of the park again. Here's their logo right on the middle finger perfectly. And right at the top. I really like it. So I will definitely be using these come whenever I can get the bike out. Right now I don't know. I guess this is turning into an update video as well. Weather is just really shitty right now, in terms of like the snow still being on the ground and the salt and sand on the road. My driveway is turning into a little bit of a mud pit, which, I mean, before in the Northeast, you have winter, you have mud, then you have spring. Just how it goes. So I can honestly say I probably won't see the motorcycle out and about on the roadway, if not at the end of March, first week of April, maybe, depending. There's a lot of variables. The rain has to come and wash off these roadways, because they're just piles and piles of sand everywhere, along the edge of the road, right down the middle of the road, basically right where it accumulates, on those two areas. You catch a little bit of that, you're going to wash out. So I'm going to be on the safe side. I'm not going to rush into this season by any means. I still plan on doing at least one video a week. That's the goal I'm setting for this year. Mainly, I want to focus on bettering my quality, not just quantity. Last year I was pumping 2 videos a week for a while, and not saying I got burnt out in a way, but I felt like I was missing the points on a lot of videos, and I think the overall quality of them faltered. And over the winter, that's the time I get to reflect, kind of rebuild how I want to do things. And I think doing the 1 video a week, focusing on quality, so I have a full week to edit, change up my shots, do the B-roll. I've really never done B-roll footage. I've just gone and done it. So that's the main thing I'm going to be doing this year. Odin, thank you. I mean, I bought these. I don't know why I'm saying thank you. I guess thank you for making a great product. I love my heavy hitters, and just adding these to the fold, love it. Thank you guys for hanging out. I know it's been a while. We are coming back very, very soon. I got my new intro, which I've debuted on this. I showed it on Instagram today. This video won't be out till Wednesday, but I just want to say thank you for being patient with me over the winter. I know it gets really slow for me here, and we're gonna come back really strong this year and have some really good quality video. I got some ideas in line. Lakes Region Rider and I are gonna be doing some rides together, and there's also some other people that have reached out to me saying that they're gonna be in the area come bike week, so there might be a little bit of mix in with those too. So until then, I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.
You know something? Maybe I am insane.